Hey, what's going on, people? YouTube, TikTok, wherever I decide to post this. It's your boy Pudgy or Budgie. I'm at the Sloss Furnace in Birmingham, Alabama. It is a National Historic Landmark. We're going to take you through self-guided tour. I'm going to have a bunch of pictures on here for y'all. We're going to go look around. I didn't bring my gimbal, so I apologize. I'll try to make this steady as possible. We're gonna go see what all that is. How they burn the coal. It's a nice little pond here. We'll go up there. There might be upstairs too. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go look. I'm filming it. I'm filming now. Oh, burn the coal. This is the second part. I don't know if we're supposed to go up here. I have my family with me, so. There's not much in here. This must be like the businesses. The view from up here though. Yeah, that part's closed off. I'll give you a little look. I'll take you down there. Some of the little ore carts, I guess. We just came from up there. Up the steps. Give you a little view of it. We were just up there. It says begin self-guided tour. Old coal. It says number 2 cast shed. Closed to the general public. It's coal. We're gonna go all the way down there. Interesting things along the way. Rusty pipes. Maybe to deliver the fuel, fire, or gas. And I think they do a little, yeah, they do the metal arts here. There's some other little artwork. Oh, look at the metal shoes. Interesting. I'm gonna pause you right here because we got a group of people coming. We're interrupt them. So we're still here. I'm gonna let the little group. There's a group of people who go forward. I'm gonna show you little workstations, I guess. Some of the newer stuff. We'll go to the furnace. Let's see what we got. Yeah, it's a shame. Can't go way up there, can we? Maybe that used to be like a little well where they get water. No climbing. Pretty interesting. There's one of the little chutes. I'm assuming we're on an old track. You can tell. Oh shoot! It's right there. Yeah, I really don't know what way we're supposed to be going. I'm assuming we're on an old little track. You don't go that way or this way or what? That one looks like it goes further out, straight. I don't know if it comes back this way. They turned it into... Oh, does it go in the woods there because the fence is open? See, I think they turned this into more modern museum now. A little park. With some artwork. So imagine I have to be the guy that has to climb that. Are you kidding me? So I'm apologizing in advance for some of the pausing in the video. There's some people here. That's my family, my sister, nephew. Apparently we can go into the engine room. Oh, I'll put you on pause until they pass. Alright, we'll let that guy. You can do self-guided tours if you come along yourself, which we're doing, or you can do a guided tour. The guy talks through a mic, a headset, gives you the history of the place. Okay, I guess we can go in one of these engine rooms. Wow, it stinks. All right, we're gonna go in here. We're gonna go. Woo, stinky! We're gonna go up these steps. You know what? I mean, this is a lot of steps to climb for a 300-pound guy, but 400-pound dude. But we get to see how a little history was. Whew. I'm not saying I'm not gonna run out of breath, but this place is cool. Just come behind me, Pudge. You know how it is. I taught you. Come behind me. Look at that. That's where they shoot the coal. Can you imagine these controllers just working in this place? Yeah. Tell you what, if you're 400 pounds, you ain't 400 pounds no more. Look at that. That's pretty neat. I like that. I'm going to turn it this way. Get a photo. Wow, you had to work behind all that. Whew. Definitely know how you had to do what you do. That is a big engine. It's a big engine. Alright, I'm going to take you back down. I'm going to put it on pause for a second. Oh, we just came from up there. Yep. This is... Hey, you can go back in here. Did you go inside here? Oh. I don't know if we're supposed to be back here, but we are. Yeah, one side's fenced off. This side I think is fenced off because of the, I guess because of the hole. You might want to keep an eye on Pudge. A lot of holes. Pudge, don't fall in the holes. Yeah, hard workers, man. Coal workers, some hard ass workers. Maybe that might have been a toilet room or a locker room, maybe. I see lockers in there. A locker room. Sorry if this is not stable. I didn't bring my gimbal with me. I'm in Alabama. It's pretty neat. Very strong grease smell. Obviously. Oh, good money. They're coming through here. Probably not a good thing to be wearing flip-flops. Oh yeah. Did you go over here first? No, this side. Oh, okay. It don't matter. I don't know. I'll go in there in a minute, I guess. I don't know which is which. There's another little building right there, but this one might be closed to the public. Nah, nothing in there but junk. Can't see it. Powerhouse stock tunnel hoist. We're going that way. Can't wait. We're going down here into this creepy basement. Creepy place. I don't know if you'll have light. Oh, you crack. Wow. Whoa. This is the engine room. Holy but Jesus. To go on in the darker areas, you might, if you guys see anything, let me know. Hey, my thing went off. My thing went static. No, my whole screen went static. Yeah, see, it goes static. Look at that. Oh, when you paste, that's weird. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that whole screen goes static. This place is supposedly haunted. I'm down at the other side. I'll come around that way in a minute, I guess. This is like something out of, Nightmare on Elm Street, maybe. Close to it.
Oh, yeah, you can go down even further.
We can?
Yeah.
All right, well, I'm just going to go. I'm going to go back down that way you were at, coming down to this end, though. I'm going to the darker parts. Maybe see, my phone is going static when I'm filming. If you guys see anything on this film, let me know. There's some dark places. I don't even know if I want to go down. I don't think I have a light in this. Oh, I do have a flashlight, I think. Oh, I got a flashlight. Whoa! Alright, that's just a metal plate on the floor. Creepy. I love it. Huh? Whoa. I don't think you're supposed to go up there.
This is actually the only one that's labeled up.
Really?
Those are not marked up.
Well, you can't go down this way. It's blocked at the other end. Alright, I'm going to pause it. Pudge, stop playing with things. Remember, it's rusted metal. If you guys see anything, let me know. This is straight up.
I have been through this.
That's my nephew.
Okay.
Hey, I'm gonna go back down this way, then come back around. I didn't film all this. Man, imagine how hot this place was. Imagine how hot this place was.
It's in between the, you'll see it in the center there. My camera was really busy with focus.
Yeah, that's where I pointed mine. Maybe somebody died in there? It's hard to tell with this place. Oh, that's still a big ass building, folks. You can see way up there. Well, I'm gonna get going. I don't want this to be a 30-minute film. I guess it's gonna be a 30-minute film. All right, this is the one I pointed at, or the next one that I pointed at that was fuzzy. There maybe used to be a block engine there. All right. So maybe this one was the fuzziest. Well, I don't see it. So at least I got a flashlight on my phone. Oh, I'm not walking straight. This is really giving me some weird vibes, but this is how they worked back in the day. All right. We're gonna go back on the other side. I'm gonna take you to that part that we missed, and I'll meet you back over there. All right, we're gonna go back at that opening. Probably shut the light off. We went down that way. We went all the way around. It came down that way the first time. And we haven't gone in here, and then they're saying you can go down even further. We're gonna explore this area first. Oh, it's just nothing but an engine down there? Oh, you can't go down there. Yeah, it's flooded out. Sorry about that, guys. Another engine room, I guess. These are all metal plates we're walking on. You can only imagine how Alabama gets in the summertime. I can only imagine how it would be in here, plus Alabama. Yeah, you can't go down there. The turbines, I guess. Alright, that was the engine house.
Sprinkling.
Is it raining?
It's sprinkling.
Well, we'll have to pause it and see if the rain will go. Outside, there's a park. It's not raining too bad, just sprinkling. Pudge, you get out of there by yourself. Pudge! Where is he? Yes? Alright, we're going to try to make this fast because it's raining. This slag granulator. So it goes up there and I guess it crushes it. I don't know. Y'all tell me in the comments below how y'all think it is. Imagine I had to climb all the way up that thing. Jesus. All right, we're gonna get going. We got a big storm coming. Oh, it feels a lot. Hey, you could probably go up here. I don't know, because some of it don't have chains and some of it has chains. It's the stoves. I don't know if you can go up there or not. It doesn't say no entry.
I don't know. Anywhere that looks open, I go.
But the thing is there's
Well, there's stairs that go down right there, so it just kind of looks like it's somewhere to go around. Because if you do a video of that,
all right, I'm gonna pause it.
there.
All right, we're at furnace number 1. This is big old thing that goes up. Yeah, see, they get you to go up and then they block it off. I guess it's gonna be a pretty long video. Still can't believe somebody would have to climb that all the way up there. That is crazy. All of them. Wow. Spookiness. See if I can get you a better light. This is the elevated walkway. This is where they bring the trucks, I guess. The modern trucks. Oh no, it's the spray pond. Let me turn my phone so y'all can see it. Massively stinky. Casting pigs. Yeah, we're gonna have to hustle a little bit. That's where we came down originally the first way down there. That's where the trains, just where they do the trains. That one's a little bit faded, I guess. That's how they had the trains. End of the line, folks. All the way down there, where we came. All the way down there. Museum. Alright. I'll meet you down at the bottom. I'm going to go down that way. Take a little bit more and then we'll call it quits. We just came from up there. Here's the perimeter house. We just got told we have to leave. So I'm going to try to run over here real quick and film this stuff. Hey Jennifer, there's a tunnel right here. The stock tunnel, which is what I want to go down, but they won't let you go down it. So I'm just gonna film it real quick. Alright, that's ladle car. Whoop, gotta get going. Site is closed, so y'all see it. If you've been there, Google it, look it up. We'll get you out the intro here in a minute. We're going, but here's some of the boilers. A lot of stuff is closed off, fenced off. Safety reasons, I guess.